Welcome. Today we are going to look at Geography Paper 1. Identify the instruments marked K, L and M. K is anemometer, L sunshine recorder, M rain gauge. Question 1b. Give two modern methods of weather forecasting. Use of artificial satellites, use of radiosod, use of computers, use of infrasound, use of weather radars. Question 2a. Give the two main movements of the Earth. We have the rotation of the Earth and the revolution of the Earth. Question 2b. State 3 reasons why the interior of the Earth is very hot. The original heat at formation is still being retained due to the weight of overlying materials, due to the breakdown of radioactive elements. Question 3. The diagram below shows the occurrence of an earthquake. Name the parts marked A, B, and C. A is seismic focus, B epicenter, C shock waves. Question 3b. List two scales used to measure the magnitude of an earthquake. Richter scale and moment magnitude scale. Question 4. State 5 characteristics of coniferous forests. Tree species are softwoods. Most tree species are evergreen. The trees have a big portion of stem compared to the leaves. Trees have a conical shape to allow snow to slide off easily. Trees have needle-like leaves. Trees occur in big pure stands. Trees have a thick bark which is waxy to protect them from winter cold. The forest floor has very little or no underground due to long winters. Trees have wide, shallow roots to utilize moisture from the topsoil. Trees are tall with flexible trunks to prevent breaking during strong winds. Question 5a. What is soil catena? Soil catena refers to the sequence variation of soil derived from the same parent material down a slope from top to bottom. Question 5b. State 3 factors that influence soil color. The chemical composition of the soil particles, the amount of organic matter present in soil, the type of parent material from which the soil has developed, the drainage of the area in which the soil is formed. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section. Also let me know what video I can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.